Bluey, phonemic awareness game, phoneme isolation, first sound. Bluey has found some gold coins on the ground. Listen to the word and say the first sound to catch the leprechaun and find his pot of gold. Shamrock. Shh. Pot. Hat. Balloons. Beard. Rainbow. Flag. Horseshoe. Coin. Boots. Leprechaun. Great job! You've caught up to the leprechaun and found his pot of gold. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more Silly Lily learning games.